So guys, have a quick look at this. This is the GoPro Hero 10, and this is recording this camera. So it is recording and it doesn't have a battery in it. See that? No battery in this GoPro Hero 10. But it's recording. It says no battery for the non-believers. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys to see this. I am recording. Here you see that 5.3K, 60 frames per second, L+. So I'm recording for 2 minutes now, and it shows I have no battery. And when we turn this around, there's no trick. There is no battery in here. You can see everything in here. Okay, it is recording. Yeah, let's turn this off. Let's turn the camera off. And you could say now this is a trick or not. Don't. It's not. So here, battery power pack. And then I'm going to use an original GoPro. Okay, well, let's turn this around. And you guys can see this. That is no trick. Latest firmware. Let me focus again. This is the GoPro cable USB-C. See this USB-C in here. GoPro cable. I'm going to plug this into the GoPro. This cable here, right? In there, GoPro. No battery. I'll turn that thing on. It says no battery. You can see this clearly. And then I click record. And it starts recording without a battery in it. If I turn this around, yep, you can see how it records my camera. See that? No battery. Good. Now we stop recording. Turn it off. And then we take here this piece. That is the MediaMod, right? Plug it in there. Same cable. Goes in there. Still no battery in it. We turn this on. Whee! Look at it. Then battery required. There. It says it on the front too. And then it turns off the little sucker. But you take the same camera out of the MediaMod, plug this thing back in. It still has no battery. Plug it in here. No battery. And we can record if we want. Now how come? So let's check one thing out quick here on this one. Perhaps. Boop. About camera info. What do we see there? Version 1.40. I hope you liked this. Subscribe and let me show you how it works with 1.50 if you're interested.